Nah, take a look at this video called How to Make Money with Monetag SmartLink. No website needed. Nah, see if it's a scam or not, and we also gonna show you a few extra tips so you can get started making some easy passive income online. So let's jump right into it. This video was posted by a guy called Azar Motiwala, and he's been posting videos about making money online since July 2022. He now has 78,000 subscribers, and he is claiming in this video that you can make at least $390 per day using this method. Let's see what it's all about. Monetag is an ad network that rewards publishers for views of advertisements shown to users. A smart link is a unique URL that contains multiple ads from all around the world. So what happens is that when someone clicks on that link, an advertisement will be displayed and you will get paid for every single view. With Monetag, you can get paid for clicks regardless of where people are located. It works in Africa, Asia, the United States, Europe, Australia, everywhere. And they also offer a high CPM, which means cost per thousand views, even for Tier 3 traffic. Withdraw money whenever you want. They have a very low withdrawal threshold of only $5, and you can do this with many different payment methods such as Payoneer, Skrill, bank transfers, and more. There are two ways to make money with your smart link. The first way is to create a free landing page or a blog. So to do this, you're going to use a service called System.io. What you gonna do is you gonna create a professional-looking website and landing page that allows you to collect emails of people who visit that page. Then, once those people fill in their email address, they will be redirected to your smart link. Now, this will allow you to create a long-term business and generate multiple streams of income because you have their email address. You can sell them products, offer services, and you can advertise other people's products and earn commissions. The second way is to use social media. So what you gonna do is you gonna optimize your profile by adding your monetized smart link to your bio on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you have a social media presence. Once people click on that link, they will be taken to an advertisement and you will earn money for every single view. Now all you need to do is create content that gets people to click on that link, and there are AI tools that can help you do that. In fact, one of my favorite ways to make viral content is using an AI tool. If you don't know what this is, basically it's a tool that allows you to create text posts with the help of artificial intelligence. What you do is you type in your niche or your idea, and then you press enter, and it will create thousands of titles for you. All you have to do is scroll down and choose the ones that you think are catchy or interesting, and then you can post those on social media. For example, if you're in the health niche, you can create a post like this one. What it does is it shows you what foods can cause cancer, and you can even add your own creative spin to it and then use an AI art generator to come up with something creative like this. And as you can see, this post got over 100,000 views, and you can get results like these even if you're just getting started. And before we move on, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe because we upload a video every single day about making money online. Now that you have your smart link and you know how to create viral content, you might be wondering how exactly do you get paid? Well, this is where your Monetag account comes into play. Here's what you need to do. First, sign up and get your smart link. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a Monetag account. You can fill in your personal information or you can sign up with your Google account. Once you log in, go to direct link and copy your smart link now. It looks similar to a shortened link, but it's actually packed with tons of advertisements. And here's what it looks like when you open it. As you can see, there are tons of ads that are being served and you are earning money for every single view. You also get detailed statistics on how many people clicked on your link, how much money you made, where the clicks came from, and more. Now let's talk about how much money you can actually make with this. According to Monetag, you can earn 20 cents all the way up to $12 per 1,000 views depending on where your traffic is coming from. And this varies depending on the country. For example, Tier 1 countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and Western Europe will generally pay higher than Tier 3 countries. However, you can still make really good money from Tier 3 countries. Take a look at this. These guys are making $600 per day with Monetag, and they're from India. That's a Tier 3 country. And let me show you some examples of other people making money with Monetag. Here's a guy named Adam Zarif. He's making $477 per day with his smart link. Another guy named Dennis Antoine is making $700 per day, and another guy named Arian is making $450 per day. Now let's take a look at some of the people who are using Monetag on social media. Take a look at this. This person is making $700 per day from his TikTok. Another person is making $1,200 per day using Pinterest and Instagram. And this person is making $200 per day using Facebook. So this brings us to the next question. Is it a scam or is it legit? Well, after doing some research and looking into this guy's past videos, I can tell you for sure that this is a legit way to make money. You can see here that he has withdrawn money from Monetag and he has cashed out over $1,000. Plus, he has been creating videos about making money online for over a year. And he has never said anything bad about Monetag, and if it was a scam, he would have probably talked about it in one of his videos. So now let's answer the question, is it free to join? Yes, it's completely free. It always should be free to sign up for a website or a platform that helps you make money. If you ever come across a website that asks you to pay money to sign up, then it's most likely a scam. Is it easy to use? Yes, it's super simple. All you have to do is sign up, create your account, and then get your SmartLink. You can then paste that SmartLink anywhere you want. For example, you can put it in a free landing page, or you can add it to your social media profile. How long does it take to make money? This depends on a number of factors, such as the amount of traffic you get and where the traffic is coming from. But I can say from experience that you can start making money within a few days if you have a large following on social media, or if you have a lot of website traffic. Can I make $390 per day with this? Yes, absolutely. In fact, people are doing it every single day. Just take a look at these examples. But it's important to remember that everyone's situation is different. For example, if you don't have any social media following and you don't have a website, then it might take you a little bit longer to start seeing results. But you can definitely get there. What are the downsides? Well, the only downside I could think of is that you don't have complete control over the ads that are being shown. For example, you can't choose which specific ads will be shown. Another downside is that sometimes the ads might not be relevant to your audience. For example, if you're targeting people in the United States, but the ads that are being shown are for products that are only available in India, this can lead to a lower click-through rate. All in all, this is a great side hustle that you can start today for free and start making passive income with. Now, if you want to learn how to make money with ChatGPT, check out the video on screen now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.